Hi friends, I am Thilak and you are watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we are going to see how to add the color or change the color of your table on your Google Docs PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just move on to the video.
So how to change the table color? So first open a document, go and insert a table. So just going to insert a 4x4 table. Sometimes we need to highlight the heading of the table in some color. So if you need, you just want to select the row or column that you want to color. Then go here, you can see background color here. You can select the color from here. So I just position it as a gray, and this two need to be red, so it can select as red, and this to be blue, so you can select as blue. Then here you can select as green, and by this option you can color the table easily. You can see you can also select a particular cell, and you can also easily color it by using this option. If you want everything to be normal, you just select the whole thing and then click here on the background color and just click at transparent. Automatically it will come back to its own original color, transparent color. So by this option you can easily color the table, cells, rows and column. So here they also have a custom color, and here you also have a custom color to customize the color, and you can also customize a line color by using this option. For an example, I can choose a line color, and for an example I just choose this line or this line. I just need to color as red. You can color it as red and blue. Try this option on Google Docs now.
Friends, if you find this video perfectly useful, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. And if you want more content about Google Docs PC, just follow this channel. We will meet our next video with a valuable content. This is Thilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.